Good evening, and I'd like to wish everybody a very merry and happy new year, prosperous new year for the coming year. Okay, you clicked on to long range weather forecast discussion for January 3rd to the 15th. For January 3rd to the 7th, models depict a split flow across North America to shift phase by the end of the week. Models maintain an area of positive height anomalies from the Bering Sea to the western U.S. and the southeast. A trough and below normal heights are forecast over eastern Canada, the upper Mississippi Valley, and the northeast. The pattern favors wet conditions for the northwest, warm and dry conditions are forecast for the west. We're looking at the period now for January 6th to the 10th. Here we are at the 6th, and the models are pretty much indicating the same thing. We have a large area of positive height anomalies here that extend down into western U.S., and we have another area of positive height anomalies over the southeast extending into the western Atlantic. Here's our only area of negative of importance negative height anomalies. This is over eastern Canada, and it extends into the northeast. Now we're going to go to the 10th. And the GFS brings above normal heights across much of the nation. We still hold on to our positive height anomalies here. So that's the GFS. And then we look at the GFS ensembles. We have above normal heights across much of the U.S., just extending down here into the northeast and the upper Mississippi Valley. So during this forecast period, I am forecasting above normal temperatures here and below normal temperatures for this region. I think this might be extended a little bit too far south, but I'm going to keep it that way for now. And for precipitation, I'm forecasting below normal precipitation here, and above normal precipitation for this region. Next is for the period January 11th to the 15th. Here we are on the 11th. This is the GFS. Again, see the GFS relatively above normal heights across the eastern U.S. We still have an area of negative height anomalies over Greenland and eastern Canada, and we still have our strong positive height anomalies now set over the Aleutians, which you can't see on this, and extending down to off the west coast. Now we're going to go to the end of the period. We're going to go to almost to the end. This is the 14th. And you can see the GFS has above normal heights across much of the region. Oh, we don't have. Let me see if I can get another hour of the ensembles. Okay. Here's the ensembles. They have below normal heights over Canada and the northeast, northern mid-Atlantic. And here is the European ensembles, which has relatively zone of flow across much of the nation with above normal heights, and our below normal heights stay up in Canada. And we're looking at the other models. Above normal heights. It looks like a fairly warm period. Now it would be, let's see. This would be the GFS ensembles. We have them here again. And this would be the Canadian ensembles. Have above normal heights here, below normal heights into the mid-Atlantic. So during this forecast period, I am forecasting below normal temperatures here, above normal temperatures for this region, and for precipitation, calling for below normal precipitation here, above normal precipitation for this region. And I think this is because we're going to have a ridge over the southeast, and the circulation will bring moisture in to this region here. So that is the long-range weather forecast discussion for January 3rd to the 15th. Thanks for coming, Jim Munley's World Weather, and again, have a very merry and prosperous New Year. Thank you for coming, Jim Munley's World Weather, and have a good day.